Hey guys, Dr. Axe here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural health, specifically for men. We're talking about harnessing the power of Mother Nature to improve your overall well-being. When it comes to men's health, there are specific needs and challenges that need to be addressed. That's where the incredible benefits of medicinal plants come in. We're going to explore how you can take control of your health by growing some of these powerful plants right in your own backyard. Whether you're dealing with prostate issues, low energy, or just want to build up your immune system, this video is your guide to a healthier, more vibrant you. Stay tuned, and let's unlock the potential of nature together. Let's kick things off with a plant that's been revered for its benefits for men's health. Saw palmetto. Native to the southeastern United States, this plant, with its fan-shaped leaves and dark berries, is a true powerhouse for supporting prostate health. The prostate is a small gland in the male reproductive system that can often become enlarged with age, leading to discomfort and urinary issues. Saw palmetto works by interacting with hormones that affect the prostate, helping to keep it functioning optimally. You can easily grow this beneficial plant right at home. Saw palmetto thrives in well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine. You can start them from seed or find young plants at your local nursery. Once established, they're relatively low maintenance and even drought tolerant. Harvest the mature berries and dry them to make a potent tea, or find high-quality saw palmetto supplements in capsule form. Next up, let's talk about an ancient herb that's been prized for centuries for its incredible energy-boosting properties, ginseng. This remarkable plant, with its distinctive forked root, has earned a reputation as a natural adaptogen, meaning it helps your body better cope with stress and fatigue. If you're feeling run down, stressed out, or just lacking your usual vitality, ginseng might be just what you need. It works by supporting your adrenal glands, which manage stress hormones like cortisol. Ginseng prefers shady spots with well-drained soil and can take a few years to mature. Once harvested, the roots can be dried and ground into a powder for teas and capsules, or enjoyed as a flavorful addition to soups and stews. Start with a small dosage, and gradually increase it to assess your tolerance. With consistent use, ginseng can be a game changer for boosting your energy levels and reclaiming your vitality. Now, more than ever, it's crucial to keep our immune system strong and resilient, and that's where echinacea, a true warrior of the plant world, comes in. This beautiful flowering plant, with its vibrant purple petals and cone-shaped seed head, has been used for centuries to ward off illness and support the body's natural defenses. Echinacea is packed with powerful antioxidants and compounds that can help strengthen your immune cells and fight off harmful invaders. Growing your own echinacea is a breeze. These hardy plants thrive in sunny locations with well-drained soil. You can start them from seed or find established plants at your local nursery. Once they bloom, you can harvest the flowers and leaves to make a potent tea or tincture. Echinacea is also widely available in supplement form, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Chapter 4. Ashwagandha, find your calm amidst the chaos. Gentlemen, let's face it, life can be stressful. Meet ashwagandha, an ancient adaptogenic herb that's been revered for centuries for its remarkable ability to combat stress and promote a sense of calm. Ashwagandha works by regulating cortisol, the stress hormone that can wreak havoc on our bodies and minds when it's out of balance. By keeping cortisol in check, ashwagandha helps you maintain a sense of tranquility, even in the face of life's inevitable ups and downs. Ashwagandha has also been shown to improve sleep quality, boost brain function, and even support healthy testosterone levels. These resilient plants prefer warm climates and well-drained soil. You can start them from seed indoors or find young plants at a nursery. To enjoy its benefits, you can harvest the roots, dry them, and grind them into a powder for teas and capsules. Chapter 5. Hawthorn, the heart's best friend. When it comes to men's health, we can't overlook the importance of a healthy heart. Hawthorn, a plant with a long history of supporting cardiovascular wellness, takes center stage. This beautiful shrub, with its delicate white or pink flowers and bright red berries, has been used for centuries to promote heart health and keep this vital organ functioning optimally. Hawthorn's secret lies in its powerful antioxidants and compounds that can help relax and dilate blood vessels, improve blood flow, and even regulate blood pressure. These hardy plants thrive in a variety of conditions, and are relatively low maintenance once established. Once the berries ripen in the fall, you can harvest them and dry them to make a heart-healthy tea, or find high-quality hawthorn supplements in capsule form. Chapter 6. Peppermint. Soothe your stomach, sharpen your mind. Let's be real, guys. We've all experienced those occasional digestive discomforts. Peppermint, a refreshing and versatile herb, can provide natural relief and support a healthy gut. Peppermint contains compounds that can help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, reducing spasms and promoting healthy digestion. Peppermint has also been shown to relieve nausea, reduce bloating, and even freshen breath. Growing your own peppermint is incredibly easy. This hardy herb thrives in both sunny and partially shaded areas, and can even be grown indoors in pots. Once established, you can harvest the leaves to make a refreshing tea, or use them fresh to add a burst of flavor to salads, smoothies, and even desserts. Chapter 7. Turmeric, the golden spice for total wellness. Finally, let's talk about a spice that's been revered for centuries for its vibrant color and potent health benefits: turmeric. This golden wonder, a staple in Indian cuisine, has gained widespread recognition for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties and ability to support overall well-being. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant that can help fight inflammation throughout the body, reducing pain, stiffness, and promoting optimal health. Turmeric has also been shown to support brain health, boost mood, and even protect against certain chronic diseases. Turmeric prefers warm temperatures and humid conditions, so it's best to start them indoors or in a greenhouse if you live in a cooler region. You can find turmeric rhizomes, which resemble ginger root, at some nurseries or online. Congratulations for taking this incredible step towards naturally improving your health. I hope this video gave you the knowledge and inspiration to start your own medicinal garden and experience the transformative power of these incredible plants. Start with 1 or 2 plants that resonate with you and slowly incorporate them into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep growing.